and welcome back for another video. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Let's get into it.
Wait,
Do the honors.
Oh gosh.
Go. Cut too far into the box. Is that even it? Oh, yeah, it is.
Imagine one of them.
Yeah. That suck.
You guys see how big it is?
This is a Yaesu Off-Road Racing Series RC car, and it looks cool in the videos. And yeah, let's do this. Milo, cut this.
I can't.
You can't? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll do it. By the way, this is Milo's, not mine. So, hold on. We gotta get this on camera. Hold on. Okay. Here's instructions. Pull it out. I'll help you.
No, I can do it myself.
No, you gotta pull it out. Here we go.
That is the tiniest thing ever.
I told you what it was gonna be.
You said it was gonna be big.
This is gonna be awesome, Milo. Look how good this is. Oh my god, the bumper is so cool. This is very cool.
Like it has
The suspension's decent. Like actually decent. It's not garbage like all the other ones.
Okay, I gotta take this piece.
It's like all over my foot. Hold on. Slowly. Okay guys, this is a complete waste of money. I would not buy this if I were you. The axles are plastic, the drive shaft is plastic, pretty much everything is plastic, and it's like the cheapest plastic you can find. It's like the worst $50 ever. Do not buy this, okay? Please listen, do not buy it, it's complete garbage. It does look cool though, it looks pretty cool, it has lights.
Is that that's
It's
styrofoam?
bad, it's horrible.
That is
It's
the C
worst
is
thing ever.
styrofoam.
It's plastic. It's not styrofoam. Yeah, it's complete garbage for $50. Do not waste your money on it. And yeah,
Like this isn't even metal. It's
thank you
plastic.
guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on Two Silver Bros. Peace.